Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the EMA plus ADX indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the EMA plus ADX indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 60 indicators, and out of those 60 indicators, 18 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 18 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the market with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the EMA plus ADX. This is a member-created, a TradingView member-created indicator. And, I mean, all in all, it seems relatively simple. The creator built in these signals right here. So, these B's and let's see, S's will appear when there is a signal to go long or a signal to go short. Just scanning back through this, I can already tell you that it appears to give signals pretty late in the trend, and it's sometimes not even at all. Like, it's really strange. Like, this whole massive move right here didn't give a signal until all the way up here at the top. So yeah, rather strange, but let's trade it the way the creator intended it to be traded. So when we get a B above a candle here, that will be a signal to go long. When we get an S below a candle like this here, that will be a signal to go short. And that is how we will be testing it today. So let's play the candles here and see what we can get out of them. Alright, there we go. I forgot to put the take profit and the stop loss there, so we will know what we're working with. This will be the first signal here. And unfortunately, it looks like that will be a losing trade. So, not a great start, but doesn't necessarily mean that it can't be profitable. So let's just keep moving along here. Alright, so it gave a signal there. Alright. Now, there is a little bit of a question mark here as to how exactly I should test this, because as you see, it seems to stack the signals on top of each other. And so a buy and a buy. My opinion on this is, if I was trading this, I would have entered on this candle right here, and I would have still been in the trade when it gave the signal here to buy. So that kind of cancels out that signal to buy because I would have still been already in a trade. Now, had I been stopped out, like maybe got a signal to go short, or even like right here where this candle came back down, I would have been stopped out. I would have taken first profit. It would have came down. It would have stopped me out, and then left me free to go ahead and take another trade from there. And so that's kind of how I'm viewing. I mean, that is how I'm viewing whether or not I take a trade when it stacks them on top of each other. So let's see. There's this one here. That one right there would have been a losing trade. And it came back down and it hit us with this one here. And that one ultimately would have been a winning trade. This is where it goes a little confusing, because let's see, that would have came up, that would have stopped me out there, then it would have came back down there, giving me another signal to go short there. Which, let's see, I didn't get that. It would have stopped me out there. So as you can see, some of these indicators will be a little bit trickier to test. But that's okay, we will push through here and see what we can get out of it. Alright, we're about midway through the year now. Still playing around with these signals, this really strange indicator. I just, yeah, it's really strange. I mean, look at all these signals that it gave back here, and then it went through this extended period of time with not a single signal. And I guess you could call this a choppy zone, but I mean, there was definitely money to be made there. I mean, it wasn't that choppy, and so yeah, this indicator's got me scratching my head just a little bit. I mean, I guess in theory we could, you know, develop our own trading. And it has these three lines here, and so I've seen similar to, so like the alligator, where it's a three-line indicator, and the three lines have to stack in a specific way, which would give you a long signal or a short signal. So I've seen that before, which, you know, could be possible with this one. And I just find it really strange that it just doesn't give signals for a really long period of time. We are almost to the end of the year now. Let's see if we get any more. Yep, right there. That one took a deep dive on us. So one more winning signal there. Alright, so this is the whole year right here. Not too many signals, definitely not an overtrader, but I would say that it does appear to be an undertrader. Let's count out the signals and see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 5, 50%, that is not going to meet our criteria. Like I said, it's a very strange indicator. I feel like there's a lot of profit being left on the table with this indicator, and so all in all, kind of scratched my head. I don't see it being much different than, you know, a three moving average indicator, if that makes any sense. Three moving average indicators, like I said, like the alligator type setup. So yeah, strange indicator. Didn't meet the 60% criteria, so unfortunately it is going on the no list. We will move on from here. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.